I need to change this out for the green background because I think this is too harsh. Ooh, all right. All right. There we go. So there are different ways that you can ask about the nationality of someone. So we're going to practice some different sentence styles for this. Could ask. This will be the dialogue practice we would do in class. Again, it'll come out of more conversation, but here's a sort of standard way. If you missed class, missed us doing this in class, this will help. So, okay. So I'm German, half and half. My mother's side is fully fully Italian. My dad's side now, that's a much more sticky content. He's technically 100% German, but there's great grandma came across with a child, so we don't really know who that father was. So rumor has it was an Irish sailor. So maybe that's why I have a little bit of the Blarney in me. I don't know. Could be all. Could just be guy around the corner. Maybe it was a virgin birth. So, oh boy, I'll probably have to edit this out at some point. Anyway, so if we go over to speak the sign or spread the sign, speak the sign, spread the sign for check is this. I'm not sure what the derivation's from. I don't know if it's from a sign that they have that means something, but check, and it's just the flat of the hand, check. Almost like you're smelling something, check. At the time the book was written, check. It was also Czechoslovakia, and now it's Slovakia and the Czech Republic, I believe, at the time of filming. So political names may change. Finger spelling is always an option. It may sometimes be the safer option, but if it's a country that you are going to talk about that's involved in your family, it's probably worth getting to know what those signs are. So we'll normally in class just go around, have people ask each other questions and talk about it in class, depending on the size of the class. So finger spelling, family name, right? Then you can respond with that name, or your name. And they say possessive country, that name, country. And you can finger spell the name of the country or sign the name of it. Itself, from where, right? What country, or what country, or country, what, right? Italian, 100%, or from. If you are 100%, yes, full, or yes, strong from that country, right? Half and half, one country, use that contrastive structure. This can also, I didn't talk about this in the other one because it seems like a much more negative intention, but it can be lots of different smaller nationalities all mixed up together. Um, it's an odd feeling that, like, to use conflict for that, because they aren't necessarily like, I'm being torn apart, right? It's more like, well, there's lots of little ones, almost more like being knit together. I think that's a better image in my head when I sign that. Um, I'm a little bit country, and I'm a little bit rock and roll. Sorry, old TV reference. But so you can oftentimes just follow how you would normally say it. And we could do a thing where we just spread out and everybody interviews someone else to find out their nationality. There really isn't that much. Again, this whole Unit 15, the whole Pink Book is a lot of very tiny chapters all strung together. This one's merely looking at how do we ask about nationality and how do we answer. Doo-doo-doo.